Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Multichain. In my last video of Multichain, I was telling you that it is about to start a repetitive move. Like previously, it broke out the falling wedge pattern, and now it is about to break out another down channel. And after that, we can expect another pump. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then we can see that after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the price line also broke out this resistance of the down channel and pumped very well. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for multi-chain that I shared with my members almost 5 days ago. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for multi-chain that I shared on 17th of April. And this was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup that multi-chain formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line pumped very well. And this was almost 15% pump. And you can see the price line slightly pumped beyond this sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Garland move. And before this, by the way, I shared this Garland move in the month of November, on 3rd of November 2022. This was another Garland with US dollar pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play the chart, then you can see that the price line again pumped very well and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you here on the daily time frame chart. And previously we have been following this falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout we had a nice short rally, but the price line found another downtrend line resistance and a support, and this was the formation of a down channel. And in my previous video, I was telling you that now it can break out this down channel because we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern. And this is another bullish bias pattern. And finally, the price line has broken out the resistance of this down channel. The target for this breakout was, by the way, here at the top of the channel. That was at approximately $7.77. And you can see that the price line has rallied up to $14. And if I place this measurement tool from this low of November 2022 up till this high, then you can see so far it has rallied more than 347%. And this is also a very, very strong support and resistance zone as well, this $7.77. That was also the target for this breakout, but you can see that previously it has been working as a support here and as a resistance here. And now for the past several days, you can see it is working as a support. Like here it worked as a support, and before that here it was working as a resistance. Now we have the formation of another symmetrical triangle. You can see we have the formation of this downtrend line resistance and this uptrend line support. And now the price line is getting squeezed inside this triangle. And now if the price line breaks down this triangle, then the target to the downside after this breakout can be here. That will be approximately at $5.25. And in that situation, we can also break down the support of $7.70. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of this triangle, then the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $22. And now if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $26. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.